Hi guys, this video must be very useful for you. So let's start. What is ismr? Ismr is a to be verb. It means in Hindi is का यूज है के सेंस में, am का यूज हूँ के सेंस में and are का यूज हो या है के सेंस में. We can use is with he, she, it, this, that. But we can use am only with I, and we can use are with you, we, they, these, those. We can use is, am, are with first simple sentence, second present continuous tense, and third present indefinite tense but in a passive voice, fourth present continuous tense in a passive voice, and fifth infinitive. Thank you for watching this video. In another video we will learn about it in detail.